Well, I don't have the dates set on this thing right because I put a fresh battery in. And I was too lazy to do it. But we're back at the park. There's Linda. She took the trail part, not me. And I can't wait to sit down. So walk along. Hey, we're just trying to make it easier each day we do it. What? Oh, you gotta watch Linda. You gotta watch her because if she sees one of these cones, and you can see there are quite a few. If he likes them, they'll be gone. Or a stone, a special stone. I put them in downstairs. Alright, we'll get a drink. We'll sit down at our favorite spots, folks. And if you need a drink of water, go help yourself. Because we're definitely going to get a drink. That's one thing here, you got to keep yourself hydrated. Because you will get lightheaded. It's just the way it is. Oh, let me see. I guess you're seeing me. This old man's still doing it. All right, we're letting you go. I hope you don't get tired of going along with us. I'll try to put this in each show just to break it up some. And we definitely got water and our cell phones, as you can see. Okay. Hey, go ahead, sit back in your easy chair and rest. That's what we're going to do before we hike back home. And we're going to enjoy nature. It's a little cloudy today, but boy, such a nice gentle breeze. And it's about 72, but I guarantee you when you're in the sun around here, you get burnt quicker because I guess we're higher up like we are. And it don't take much to get sunburned. And of course, I know you women love to get a suntan. All right, say goodbye, Linda.
Goodbye.
All right, bye. Now over here, I'm going to show you a difference of some more of these pine cones. They're always so different here. They start out, whoop, where is everything? Oh, there it is. Okay, I'll take that. As you can see, the deer, and they don't care. Don't care a bit. This here is often aspers, and I never saw this before. I guess they get, well, it has to get leaves. It's coming right off the asper tree. I hope you can see that okay. Huh, tell you the truth, I've never seen this before. Nope. I guess this is how they get their leaf. Okay, just wanted to show you because it's definitely off an aspers. All right, bye everybody. Okay, boy, it's so nice. Of course, we're going downhill. Let me show you. We got to go back up all that hill. That's a hill for us old folks, believe me. But it gives you an idea. how pretty it is to walk in this neighborhood. And these homes are just, I can't describe it. Okay. Okay, we're back again. We was talking to a real nice lady. And, boy, just look at this neighborhood. I hope you folks don't mind taking walks with us. If not, you'll have to let us know. And I'll do more. No, I'm not kidding. Oh my God. But anyhow, look how pretty it is through here, Linda.
I know, I want to take a picture down through there.
What?
I want to take a picture of the woods down through there. It looks cool.
Yeah. It is so nice. Got all these pine trees, and when the wind blows through them, I love to hear that wind coming through this, and it's just a nice gentle breeze. But people's homes are so nice. We can only think. Now, there's no trees. Do you see anything? Yeah, there are. They're coming out. Yeah, now, okay. So they're not what you call dead. My God. This is beautiful. We're going around. As you can see how we are going. But, folks, if we have to go back this way, we'll see you. Yeah, you might find me and Linda in the obituaries. What are you doing? Yeah. We've been blessed. We really have to be here. It's just, well, I can't describe it.
That is one house in hell.
We just love it. It's a different world. I guess that's how I can explain it. A different world, and we love it. You get me in these mountains, me and Linda, and we're home. That's for sure. Yeah, and them trees there that I thought, if you saw these trees, I thought they wasn't, I didn't know if they were alive or not, but they got a lot of these, but the buds are coming out in them. So, they're not dead, that's for sure.
That's a different house. Look at that.
Yeah, where are we at now?
We're on top of the mountain.
You know, we might have, we might have to send an SOS, because if we get lost, we don't know where in the heck we're going.
The kids, and I think we ended up down here.
We might not find our way back. I'm just hoping that we don't have to.
I think this is the main road.
Huh? No, this is the top of Moore Drive. That's where we're going next.
Go down that way?
No, we're going up this way.
Okay.
It can only.
And make me walk for hours.
And we were in Winding Hills Road, and believe me, that was an appropriate name for that. Now, folks, what would you do? Would you go down, or would you go up?
I think down.
We're going up. It's got to be a down on the other side, if I know right. Oh Lord. We'll get over here on the other side so we can see if a car comes. Just look at the sky, folks. Oh. Okay. As you can see, we got a a hill to climb, but it looks like it's something on the other side. Oh my God, Linda. What if we... Damn. Look at that tree there.
Ew, that's a big tree.
Oh. People got their yards and everything. So beautiful here. So, what can I tell you?
Is that an old-time wash machine? Oh, no, that's
Okay, we're going to stop. We'll catch you on the next round.
till we get up the hill.
Oh, yeah, once we get up this hill, whew,
We'll be dead.
we'll let you see what's on the other side. Good night. Okay, folks, look at this, how dark it's got. I swear, it ain't supposed to rain today. But it's a big old cloud, and hopefully it'll hold off until we get back home there. But as you can see, it seems like you can almost touch these doggone clouds. Wow. I swear that got bigger. Somebody's going to get it, that's for sure. They're going to get a shower. I will soon be coming up headed back to the home. That is something, Linda.
Huh? Okay. Maybe the pass over. Here comes the FedEx. Are you on the right side?
Yeah. Just looking at the clouds.
Here he comes on the hill.
Oh, Linda, there's my buddy, Milo. Say hello. Believe me, he's my buddy. He's a good dog, ain't you? He loves being outside and he loves being with somebody. That's how he is. And he loves to play ball. He runs like a deer. Oh, he's as tired as I am. I'm sitting here, just sitting here. I'm turning around. I guess you can see me. I don't know. It looks like I can. Whew. So we're just taking it easy now, sitting out here. A little bit of a breeze. It's so beautiful and quiet. A little cloudy, but some blue. And I wish, well, let's see what the date is. What is today? Oh, I went 2000. How many? I gotta put my glasses on just to see how many steps we took, so I can brag. Yeah, 3,739. And my heart is beat per minute 72. So there you go. And I'm alive. Oh yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to show you my pal. And he's my buddy, believe me. Okay. All of you, take care. Bye.